Hi busy parents! If your fridge is looking a little chaotic or if your fridge is next on your spring cleaning list, in this video, I'll show you how to deep clean and organize your fridge the smart way using simple steps, time-saving tricks, and no stress. Let's get into it. But before I start, don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment below with the suggestion for next video. Let's start by turning the cooling off for your fridge. If you don't know how to, you want to Google your model number and the directions on how to. Step 2. Start by taking everything out. As you go, toss anything that's expired and sort the rest of the food by types: dairy, snacks, and produce. Okay, so next, remove all shelves and drawers. I soak mine in warm soapy water while I clean the inside. If your sink's too small, the bathtub works great too. Once everything is washed, I towel dry for quick drying. Once clean, it's time to organize. I start by using clean liners on the shelves. See description for link to the liners and the bins. I would recommend using clear bins to group smaller items and label the leftovers to cut down on waste. Quick organizing tip: store the kids' snacks and food items at their eye level. I have more smart ways coming up at the end of this video. Now all there is left is to put the food back. Organize and store the food by groups. There you have it, a sparkly clean fridge. Now before we move on to next section of more smart tips, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment your favorite tip. Instead of deep cleaning often, choose to clean a shelf at a time at lesser frequency to keep your fridge always clean. Place a deodorizer so your fridge can smell fresh for longer. Find the link in description. A quick wipe down before grocery day will keep your fridge cleaner for longer. Shelf liners will make cleaning easy for you, especially when there are spills. Tip number 5. Bins and Lazy Susan will help you manage the deep shelves. Drawers will help you manage the vertical spaces in the fridge. Tip number 6. Create a cleaning routine for your fridge and put it on your calendar. And the last one, engage kids to help you clean the fridge. It's a perfect chore for little hands. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.